Yo, what's good everyone? It's Marvin, also known as MJO23Dan. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, I do sneaker reviews, I do sneaker comparisons, typically Air Jordans. So if you're all about that, subscribe. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a review and comparison of the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. Now, this has been released for some weeks now, and I had a couple people reach out to me and, wanted to sell me a pair. Shout out to Bryce Stevenson. Shout out to Dizzy Kicks. I appreciate you guys once again. And yeah, was able to get my hands on a pair. So this sneaker is closely related to the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1. So we're going to be doing a comparison between the two. I know some people have probably already seen something like this, but we're going to get right down into the details of each sneaker and compare them. So if you like that, stay tuned. Alright, so before we get into the comparison, let's go ahead and look at the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. So this is a black toe feature of the Air Jordan 1, as you see here with the black toe. There's been several colorways that have come out with this type of style. They've also done a contrasting color on the toe piece, but this one they stayed with a sail colorway. So as you can see, mostly black toe. I do hope that Jordan Brand does come out with an Air Jordan 1 black toe with the black tongue. The last time that we saw that was around 2006, I believe, and that came with a black tongue, but it was a mid-cut. So it's not high OG and something that, I truly like myself. A lot of people don't like mids. I'm a little partial to it, but I really feel like if you're going to do an Air Jordan, it has to be a high OG. So you got to have the Nike Air on the tongue tag. You got to have it in high form. And, just make it look like what Michael Jordan wore in 1984, 1985. So, again, the Mocha colorway, again, they try and make this look into the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1. And, this pair has been going for some money. And it's pretty crazy because you would think that this is kind of like the stepchild to the Cactus Jack Jordan 1. But, I mean, to each their own. I think the colors, they work well. You got a Mocha colorway and along with the sail. I think if they went white with this, it would have looked like more of like an Oreo type shoe. So I do appreciate that they put sail on the, the lighter portions of the shoe. But as far as like the midsole is concerned, it does look aged. It has that age effect, right? So it takes a little bit over from the Mocha colorway that is already brown. So you're going to get those undertones there. But I can see where the approach was with it because not a lot of people were able to get the Cactus Jack Jordan 1s. And this is a close second. So I don't hate the shoe. I honestly think it's a clean colorway. As far as like the sale is concerned, you know, with aging and pre-aging of sneakers, I feel like that is almost something that needs to happen naturally. So while it is on this particular pair and, you know, some other ones, say like a Union 4, you know, when you start getting into like Union 4s, they really overdo it. It's exaggerated a lot. So this is more of a collab versus something that, you know, is going to be something simple. So anyways, let's take this and the Cactus Jack Jordan 1 right under here, and we'll do a comparison real quick. Alright guys, so typical Jordan 1 box, you have the black with the red, just like how it was in 1985. Here's the box label right here. We got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, style number is 555088, color code is 105. Remember that color code. We got sale, black, dark mocha, and black. Retail price $170. Now for the Cactus Jack box, we have the mocha or the chocolate theme going on up here. You guys have seen the review. I'll post a link up here so you can see the card. You got red Nike all around the box, and then the box label. So these released in 2019. We got the Air Jordan 1 High OG Travis Scott SP. SP either meaning short print or special, who knows. Sale, black, and dark mocha. So the style number on here, because it's a collab, CD4487, and then the color code 100. So when I pull out the shoes, you're gonna check out some of the details with the color coding. All right, so here we go with the mochas, and then here we go with the Travis Scotts. So off the bat, what are your guys' thoughts? We have more of that sail look on the midsole, a little bit more of the patina look on there versus the Mocha 1s. You have just a smidge of it, so it's a little bit more exaggerated here. Obviously with the collab, you're gonna have that with this shoe. You got the backwards swoosh, again, something that is a little bit more out there, a little bit more exaggerated. It's to push the hype. With the Mocha 1s, you got the regular swoosh as we've seen on all Air Jordan 1s to this point. You got the dark mocha right here on the ankle straps and on the heel, and then they went ahead and went with the black toe look. So with the Travis Scott, they went with that nubuck on the toe, coming up towards the eyelets on that ankle portion, and also on the heel. Now the difference is also is that this ankle portion of the Travis Scott 1s, they did a Velcro. So, you know, it's just another little hint what you can do. Throw in there another stash pocket, all the likes. So this shoe in particular came with 4 different laces. You got the pink, the red, you got the off-white, and the chocolate or the mocha. We'll just keep it mocha just to keep it simple all across the board. You got a white sock liner with Nike Air in red. And then with the mochas, you got one off-white colored lace, and then on the insole you have a black insole with white Nike Air. So on the tongue tag, you can see here that they flipped it. So you got an extra tag right here for the Travis Scott branding, Cactus Jack. You got a sail looking tag with red Nike Air. And then on the mochas, you have a black tongue tag with white Nike Air. On the backs of these, and this is where you can pick up on the color, you see the Travis Scott right here, and then the mochas right here. So you can see there's got a little bit more, I would say almost like a little bit more oil stained look of the Travis Scott Jordan 1s versus the mochas. So you let me know what your preference is, or it doesn't really matter. You know, again, like I said in the intro, this is more of like your second look of this shoe right here. But if you have both, you know, kudos to you guys. But, you know, not really too much difference between the colors. Just that with the Travis Scott 1s, you got a little bit more of that, you know, premium oil stain look kind of thing going on here. Now the leather quality, if you want to talk about that, you can say that the Travis Scott one has better materials on it. Premium nubuck right there, all the way around. Little softer. You can see the Cactus Jack branding also on the medial side of the shoe. Again, obviously that's not going to be present here on the Mocha ones, but then you can see, you know, typical leather of an Air Jordan 1. Not too much premium of the nubuck, but you know, it's decent. They use the same stuff on the toe, and then a little bit more premium on the Cactus Jacks. So you can see why this would command a lot more. It's way out there, you know. I mean, you know, the Cactus Jack or the Travis Scott Jordan 1 is just, you know, a really polarizing shoe. But, you know, if you guys got the Mocha, it's not bad. So I can understand why it's reselling for a little bit more than a typical Jordan 1. You know, it's one that you can pretty much wear with anything, I feel like. You know, if you guys like this one, you guys would like this one. So to each their own. I'll drop a link down in the description if you guys want to cop yourself a pair. I usually get a kickback off that, and you know, it helps out the channel, and you know, to have it grow and stuff like that. So you know, I appreciate you guys, you know, jumping in. Let's go ahead and close this out. Alright guys, so that is the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel here as I try and pump out some videos. Also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to get all of the latest that's coming out of my channel and my content. And, you know, let me know down below what you guys think of the Cactus Jack Jordan 1 versus the Mocha 1. Something you've seen already, I'm sure, like all over social media over the last couple weeks, but I figured I needed to put something out there so that you guys can see for yourself up close and with all the details. So anyways, thank you guys for watching again. Stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.